Welcome to a research word in 1 minute, research word number 20, commence. American pronunciation, commence, co-mmence, commence. British pronunciation,
Commence, co-mmence, commence.
meaning. Commence means to start a process. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are commence production, commence the experiment, commence the procedure, or commence the conference. Example sentence number 1, commence, verb. The factory will finish construction in January and will commence production in March. Example sentence number 2, recommence, verb. The airline will recommence travel after the hurricane passes. Now you can use commence confidently in your research. Please write a sentence using commence in the comments below, and I will fix it in a reply. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!